this dance. I don't wanna ruin your plans.
Come on, let's dance together.
I just want this night to last forever. I
Hey,
just wanted you to
let's
know.
dance.
I just wanted you to know.
Hey,
You got that
fire,
fire, fire, fire, fire, fire. Yeah, P Marwing, I desire, 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 desire.
Yes, hello guys, kumno pilong paralog. Welcome back all, and I really miss you all. I miss you so much, guys, and I'm just back again to the reaction video. It has been really long. Indeed, I was in India, but finally I'm back home to my country, South Sudan. This is the flag of South Sudan, and here is the flag of India. You people, my beloved people, guys. So I found out, guys, like whenever I do other videos which are not in Shillong or related about the Meghalayan people or Khasi people, people don't watch it. So anyway, I just decide to keep on what I used to do before. I thought maybe you guys might love to see what is happening about me in Africa or maybe other countries if I visit, but it's kind of complicated for you guys. But what I'm gonna inform you, from today onward I will post reaction video or any video which is related to Khasi people in this channel only, guys. And if you want to see my personal things out here in Africa or in other places, whenever I travel, my other vlogs, you can go to Gabs Gabi TV, guys. This channel, you can subscribe to it. It's my channel, guys, but I will not post reaction video there, but I will post about my personal life. So miss you, hope you all are doing well. So back again, let's continue to the reaction video. Today we are back to the first reaction video by the title Fire. We are starting back with the fire, guys. So this is a music video from one and only Wanbhaa. You already know, guys. Miss you all. Peace out, Wanbhaa. Hope you guys are doing well, everyone there. So the music title is Fire, guys. We have a lot of amazing people here. Let's check them, guys. Peace out. Let's go. We have Hamos Studio. Yeah, this is the fire. We're gonna check it today.
Happy birthday to you.
We have Jolan here.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, a lot of known faces.
Birthday, dear Ellie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, guys. Oh, I see a lot of familiar faces whom I met in Shillong.
Mentangin yo no ya gajing shot na i.
Jolan, bro, how are you, bro? Miss you all, man. Don't worry, I'll come back. Start the moment you
Baroki Shuya Pidon Kabo Jadu Banpen Bija Kirang Nate Baro.
Yo, shout out to Eileen. Eileen is here. Oh,
Yapi
have a chance.
Kinyom Karya Karam Okikman Jongpi.
I see you, Eileen, doing good. Shining like a star.
Ngamla Shuban Paypam Pitang Shupe.
The moment you look at me.
Marwenga Sau Keram Pitang Shurki.
Wanbhaa, pull up, bro. Fire. Hey. Jonga. Hey. Fire. Jonga, man, same Jonga. Hey, stop. Wait a minute, man. Wait. Man, I'm already sweating for this fire. This is fire, man. Wow. I'm just speechless, but at the same time, I'm so happy. You know, I don't know what to say. Wanbhaa, man, you made it. Just know you made it, Wanbhaa. I really love the music video. I don't know who's the director. I'm pretty sure Wanbhaa is the one directing everything, because I know my bro, how he knows how to do it. My brother is a big hustler and I just love it. Eileen, oh, you just kill it. And I'm just happy to see you in this video because you just kill it. You are the shining star. Just know that. And this music video, I don't want to conclude. Let me not conclude it here. A lot of things have to be expressed, but not now. Let's continue the fire. Wanbhaa, let's go. Start.
Ailat kendit bangan kren kijing snow badan hapo kasha
Tell them Wanbhaa.
ngam kwa ban
Wanbhaa, tell them.
habado no jong au kenti pi kloy ne amba pins ngam na pi ru nga
Now
kwa
Wanbhaa is expressing.
nga kwa bangan clay dos ngam kendit yang ate. All I wanna know, will you give me a chance? All I wanna know, can I hold your hands? All I wanna know, can I have this dance? I don't wanna ruin your plans.
Come on, let's dance together.
I just want this night to last forever. I
Hey,
just wanted you to
let's
know.
dance.
I just wanted you to know.
Hey,
You got that
fire,
fire, fire, fire, fire, fire. Yeah, P Marwing at desire, Zaya, 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 Zaya. Nakwa bapin longi, jonga, 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 jonga.
You men sing Jonga. Hey, hey.
Kuno bangan klan. Girl, you got that fire, 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 fire. Yeah, P Marwing at desire, Zaya, 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 Zaya. Nakwa bapin longi, jonga,
Jonga, Jonga, Jonga, Jonga. Men sing Jonga. Hey,
Girl, you got that fire,
fire, fire, fire, fire.
yeah, P Marwing
Helene is that desire and fire. Hey.
Nakwa bapin longi, jonga,
Jonga, Jonga, Jonga, Jonga.
Oh.
Hey. Stop, that's enough.
You got that fire.
Yeah, she's that fire. Helene, are you aware? Let me wait. I'm already feeling the fire. Just a minute, okay? Just a minute, man. Back to the actress. Helene, are you aware that you are that fire, fire, fire? Indeed, Wanbhaa just choose the girl who is the fire and desire at the same time, guys. I just really love it. The music video is so hype, so amazing, so beautiful, and so meaningful. And like, man, we should party. I think we should party with this song. I can't wait to come again to Shillong. Whenever I'm pulling up for the party, this song should be played, guys. I just love it. And what I love the most about this music video, like, I saw a lot of familiar faces, the friends I also met before in Shillong. And what I wanted to say, like, this is a really good spirit, like having friends who can support you in your projects. This is really amazing. I hope they keep it together. And this is how, in fact, this is how people succeed. Like, we have to support each other, guys. Yeah, indeed, everyone is important in this music video. And I just love it. Helene, you just kill it. You just kill it. You are just a good dancer. You are also that fire. You already know it. Are you aware? Let me know. Comment below. I want to see all your comment, guys. It's my first reaction video after a really long time, guys. I want to see you all out in the comment section. Hope you all are doing well. My brother Jolan, hope you're watching also. I love it. You all are here. And this is a really nice spirit. Back again to the big star, big guy Wanbhaa, man. You're just doing good. Just know, keep doing it. You already mastered everything. You know what the people need. That's why most of your music nowadays, they're getting a lot of views. And this is really worth watching. Like, yeah, you know the business. You got into the business. Keep it up. We're expecting more. I think you have another track already out, but we'll check it later, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Peace out. Jonga, Jonga, Jonga. Desire, fire, man, Sim Jonga. Oh, peace out, man. I'm almost forgetting Khasi language because it has really been a long time without watching Khasi music. In fact, guys, this music was having English subtitles, so I understood everything. So don't worry. I love it. Peace out.